You guys know what time it is today. I've been saying it in chat. You guys have been waiting for it for forever. We are doing the Sage 5v5 game. Everyone is going to be playing Sage. We're all going to lock into the game. There's going to be 5 walls, 10 walls total if you count both teams. It's going to be an absolute nightmare to push into everything. It's going to be fun. We're going to have a good time. If you guys like this type of content, you want to see more of this, we've done stuff in the past. We've done a Raze 5v5. We've done a Sky 5v5. We've done, who else have we done? Guys, who else have we done? We've done Raze, Sky. We did Omen. We did Yoru. We did a Viper. Yeah, we did a couple of them. We do these things a lot. So if you guys like this kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel. Dude, check us out. It's really fun. We have a cool community. Hang out on Twitch. It's a dope thing that we do. We chillax. It's a good time. I appreciate you guys. Basically, pushing into anything is probably going to be a nightmare. It's probably not going to be fun to push into anything in this game mode, but we're going to give it a go. We're all playing Sage. As you can see, we're all locked in. I probably should have switched to the Glitch Bop knife. That is definitely the best knife skin on Sage. So we can do wall stacks. That's like a thing, right? I don't know if we have like pistol round thoughts, but...
Why are you talking in game chat?
I think we can.
I don't know. It's a good point.
One back CT. I walled it off for now.
Okay, throw down some walls, boys.
No.
Build a wall.
You would need heal. Alright, let's slow these, slow them down.
Dude, I feel like Donald Trump would love this game mode. He's like so happy right now. He's like, yeah, build that wall.
I got like 2.5.
Oh, fuck me.
No. Oh, jeez. Whack-a-mole, pretty much, man. Should I slow it, maybe? Man, I want to try to do a wall boost strat. Can we like try that? Can we try to boost like really high up here?
Yeah, sure.
That sounds like a really good idea.
We gotta do it. We gotta do it pre-round. Oh, we gotta do it pre-round.
We can't. Oh, that's it though.
Oh, we can't.
No.
Not anymore.
He walls mid.
10 seconds left. One
Good bait.
remaining.
Oh, what a baiter, dude. SMH.
Let's go, Kirby. The 4K, dude, coming up big. What is he doing? He's trying to run and gun with an Odin, dude. Oh my god.
No, the running gun Odin didn't work. He's lit 89.
Oh no. They just res. Oh, one's
what the
yellow.
One enemy remaining.
Back-to-back 4K clutch.
Yo, Kirby's kind of nutty with it though. Kirby's like a Sage man, I guess. He's sweating right now. He's got 7 kills. Dude, you see
behind the spike.
You see her behind the spike, dude.
You won. Good job.
I didn't see her.
She's literally hiding
They
behind
were
the spike,
literally
dude.
behind the spike.
Yeah, she was behind the bomb.
Oh, I hit her 140.
I need heals. I need heals. Oh man.
I do a res.
I thought this would be
65.
like default walled, but I guess not. We're in a little bit of a goal.
Do a little bit of a hand wiggle.
30
man.
seconds left.
There's a couple walls sitting around here in this here woods.
Oh. 2 kitchen, 1 yellow.
Enemy removed. Last player standing. You fought one enemy remaining. You will not.
Ah, you're fucking kidding me. Oh god.
Right as I pull out the wall, someone else walls up. And
They just multiply, dude. They literally multiply. Like you feel like you're good, and then just 1 hour rest comes in.
Where's this wall? I can just jump it.
Enemy down. One enemy remaining.
What the?
Waffles.
Why are they here?
We playing deathmatch, boys, or?
I'm not spending any more
That's a
money
good
on
point. The
these
amount of
guns.
kills in this game is gonna be outrageous, man. I don't have money for it, but I want the Phantom. I'm probably gonna buy the whole set. I don't normally spend money on this game anymore, but that 100 damage suddenly means nothing. Sage is tagged for. Oh, never mind.
Okay.
Here.
That is a feels bad, man, dude. Sage is tagged for. Never mind, guys. Doesn't matter. Like,
Imposter kill.
oh, jeez. Callum's boosted up on a weird wall boost. Yeah, he's up there. Dude, I've never played against Waffles in one of these games. This is fun.
Poor waffles.
Yeah. Watch this.
Impossible.
What is that boost? Oh my god.
No
Hey
problem.
guys, look at me!
That angle did catch me off
Oh, you're
guard.
all the way up.
Ah! I got killed.
I just saw your body, like I saw the tracer of your body falling. Just from the top of the map.
I didn't get a second to use it. You just,
With the scream too and everything, that was perfect.
I was all the way up top.
That was
You
good.
should do a Cypher 5v5 or is it a Sova 5v5?
I think I'll do the Sova one before the Cypher one, because the Cypher one doesn't sound
No,
like it's
like-
gonna be fun.
Cypher on one team, Sova on another team.
Oh,
It would just be awful for
Like
attack.
Sova on attack, Cypher on defense.
Information time.
I think that would be better, because then Sova at least could clear the trips with his
Yeah.
shotguns.
Yeah, I thought about that.
Because if you just did it standard, like a
what an angle.
Cypher 5v5, that would suck. That would not be
Yeah.
fun at all.
They will never expect this guy to sniper.
One enemy remaining. No charges left.
Well, that's not you.
Hit him in.
Sorry, I should have saved that for you.
You ace thief.
It's like,
It was Lucas, though. I had to.
He had.
Round before the switch.
oh, you're doing it to him.
Oh, camping the bodies? I'm just looking for Lucas. Like, Oh, no.
He has res.
You will not kill one
Oh,
enemy
no.
remaining.
Rip.
Some B.
Yeah, just wall it.
You want me to wall you in?
Nah, never mind. It's okay.
Oh, no.
Oh, he question marked you.
I killed him in that exact same spot, so.
Spike
Damn.
planted.
Alright, they've got guardians.
Bought a guardian.
Guardian one tapped me.
Outskilled.
I'm gonna buy Sheriff again. It's basically like a mini
Alright, I have a
Guardian.
striper next round, Casey.
That's ironic because we're all playing Sage. Oh, they're all tube, all tube, all tube.
Oh, they broke my wall instantly. That's crazy.
One enemy remaining.
Jesus. Kirby,
I'm
you're
in.
insane.
Tube.
Thanks for the hit.
Into him.
Just
Nice.
can't see them.
Are they building a house?
Yeah, wait, they actually are.
Oh, shit.
Oh, frick, they're not. They're hostile.
They're hostile. Oh, no, they're
Yeah.
hostile.
Kid res in the middle of the open. But yeah, that's king. Just give him another death for the content.
He's full running, dude. I fixed it.
They're pushing you now, zombie.
Last player standing.
Oh no.
Just building a house and
And
spawn.
immediately shoot. That was a slow.
One's gonna be on top of a wall right here.
You will not kill my ally.
One that was just res is at 80.
65 on crafty.
will not kill my ally.
Oh, he found me.
Monka ass.
We just created a maze
Please
here,
work,
dude.
guys.
Nice.
Imposter. One enemy remaining.
Oh, no.
The fade away.
GG's.
Can we
we
do
doing on
infinite
this?
abilities? But, well, then you could just, like, res non-stop. You think that's the move?
Yeah.
No,
we could
like,
just say
don't-
only one
don't-
res.
I just want abilities. Yeah, I don't.
Let's say like
res
one
kills.
res per round.
Oh, my
Oh, he's
God.
right there.
They appeared in the window.
Oh, Jesus.
He trapped me.
What is going on? Can
Oh no, it fell.
I get a res? Oh, no, they're resing. Jeez. Nice. Clean
a
round,
wall.
clean round.
Dude, what an 8k round.
Poor Waffles died 3 times that round.
Jeez.
I don't think they know we can do Iron Man over it.
Can I get a couple of heals? Oh, king.
Oh, no.
Oh, wait, that doesn't matter. They have no shields, I guess.
Oh, I
Oh,
broke.
no. He found me. I killed Waffles on... No, did I kill Waffles? No, I didn't kill Waffles this round. The new icebox. We're making the new icebox right now.
Like this.
Oh.
See? Hey, healed. They're right there. Can I get a res?
No.
I think I dropped
I don't know where your body went.
on the.
I
That was
headshot
me.
him.
Your duty is not over.
Where'd my gun go? No, my gun's
I don't have a gun either.
Oh no!
Oh, you got one way.
Oh my god.
Wall raised. Wall raised. Barrier created.
Oh god. Where was he? Oh no.
I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if you're getting in there.
Oh,
Unlucky.
no.
This might be defender-sided.
Oh Jesus.
I put up a wall that saved my life. That was kind of crazy.
Yeah, it's like Fortnite. We're just
I
building to
lost
stay
my
alive.
op. Oh no.
Alright, we gotta get to site, and then we can win post-plant. Ah, they're there.
One enemy.
Oh, I have a
remaining.
res.
Duty is not over. Wall raised. Your tactics failed.
Oh no.
Last player standing.
King, if you have another res, you might be able to get me on site.
He's like inside of the walls.
One enemy remaining. Last player
Wait, maybe you can
standing.
stay.
On. Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Hello, game. Thank you.
You were above.
Why reload the Odin when you can just buy another one, dude?
We can make a mountain.
Wall raised. Barrier created. Barrier created.
Wait, they walled off a main.
Oh no. The patron cultist only?
One enemy remaining.
No.
No
Team.
way.
Wall raised.
You can rest that person, and they can rest somebody else.
Barrier created. One enemy remaining.
Use Margaret if he's on.
Go for the
He's behind
res.
you.
No, he's behind you.
Pug, you were gonna play more.
I came to existence, and I just saw the guy behind you with a knife out.
He's just walking out.
Covering.
Is what I trained for. Barrier created.
Oh! Oh god, they're boosted very high in mid. Very high,
spike down
very
at some
high,
point?
Proto. Very high.
Like this?
Yeah.
Oh, that is very high.
Oh no.
Spike planted.
I don't think you clutch with an op here, but
They do have an op.
he's got his knife out. Oh no.
One enemy remaining.
Just kill him if you can. Gotta defuse though.
Oh no.
Good job.
Yeah, easy clutch. Oh, sorry.
Imposter kill.
No, I don't wanna. I don't wanna be
Spike
done, dude.
planted. Wall raised.
God, look at these plebs. I need to break this wall.
Barrier created.
There it is. All right, guys, thanks for playing in this adventure. At the very least, that was really fun. That last game was a little bit scuffed, stacking the walls, but it's cool to know that you can like stack them so high. It was kind of funny. That one round where I got offed out of middle, I thought was a pretty good meme. I literally just peeked it and he's chilling and like way up in the skybox and he offs me out. I'm glad that's not a real thing in the game. If they ever do add like one for all game modes, that's probably something that you could expect to see. So Kirby was in God mode that first game. Kirby was feeling it, dude. I don't know what he was, what he smoked before the game, but he was like ready to roll. But yeah, those are stage 5v5. If you guys enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel. Check us out on YouTube or Twitch, sorry, where we have all these lovely people. And I'll see you in the next video where we'll be doing hopefully another Agent 5v5. I think we're probably gonna do like Sova Cypher or something like that. Will probably be next. We'll just see.